Online education is like a rising tide. It's going to lift all boats. Let me give you a few tips on how to start your work from home for the coming academic year. The most important thing is time management. Let me begin with the first tip. Keep a schedule. We have to keep our to-do list ready. Make a small notes or put it in your calendar, mark it in your diaries. You should know what are you going to do for the day. Going to the second tip, that is get dressed for the work. Just because you're doing work from home doesn't mean you just don't look after your attire. Your dressing sense matters a lot. If you are disciplined in your dressing, will your child be interested in sitting and listening to you? The third tip is create a workspace. When you are sitting, your posture should be appropriate. You should have a table, a desk or something in front of you. Your viewpoint should be clear. Children should be visible and children should be able to see you or the work what you are doing. It is reduce distraction. You should avoid your family members coming into your way. You should avoid people shouting out to you or calling out to you. You should avoid eating or munching on something when you're teaching. Because remember, if we are not organized, our child or the student will also behave the same. The next tip, that is take scheduled break. Now if you have your timetable, you know after second class you will be free. So go for a coffee break or just relax or just listen to something, or if there is anything in emergency where you need to look into the family, do so. Further, we talk about prioritize your sleep hygiene. It's very important that you have a peaceful sleep, because if you have bulging eyes or red eyes or you are like yawning, all these things matter when you are presenting yourself in front of the children. Yawning or stretching yourself or breaking your fingers doesn't look good. Simple things which we need to take care of. Now, reward yourself. You should reward yourself after your class. Yes, I deserved it. Or yes, I feel good. I feel good after taking this class. Or hooray, I did something nice today and I'm proud of myself. Meditate prior to work. Meditation is important because you need to relax yourself before you start teaching, because you should be clear. If you meditate, you're clear with your thoughts, your words will flow in action and the class will be a success. Next is take help from your family. Involve your family in making plans for the day. You know your schedule as per timetable. Tell them from this time to this time I would be occupied. Why not you also do something which will keep yourself occupied? Encourage your family to be a part of. And last but not the least, be happy and create a happy environment for everybody around you. Learn to balance between work and home. Don't carry your luggage while work and don't carry your workload back in the home. So remember, online is the new thing and that is going to lift all of us to a higher level of success. Thank you and keep watching this channel for new updates. Thank you.